Okay, so we are on a last example, example 10. We are going to go ahead and go reverse. So we are taking the graph and we're going to put it into our equation. Remember that all the pieces of the equation are going to basically fit into a piece. So we are going to write the format of what the equation should look like. We have a lot of letters. So we have a, which appears in the front, x minus h squared plus k. Remember, k is left and right. Sorry, h is left and right, k is up and down, and a controls compressions and stretches and reflections. So let's go ahead and look at this. Remember that compressions and stretches are what you do first, as well as reflection. So I can tell right off the bat that this one is a downward facing parabola. So I know there's a negative out front right off the bat. It flipped at some point, so there's a negative there. I'm also going to go ahead and look at the points and see what's happening. So I see that one, which used to be our 0, 0, this one and this one. And then I'm seeing this one and this one down here. So let's look at these points. So if this was naturally facing upwards, it would look like this, right? And I'm going to put it right on the normal spot. So normally it would go 0, 0, then 1, comma 1, right? 1, 1. Instead, it's going 1, 2. So how is that y changing? You can also see the space in this one at the very bottom here. If you compare it to the 0, you should see 8 spaces. And those used to be 4 apart, right? The next one's out, they go 1, 1, and then 2, 4. So if it goes to 1, 2, and 2, 8, you can tell that the y's were all multiplied by a 2. It's getting doubly big. So I know that my scale factor is 2 on this one. Okay, hopefully you're able to follow all of that. Now we do the easy part, left, right, up, and down, right? So it looks like, and I focus on the middle, focus on that vertex. Looks like I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I moved it up 5. So I'm going to put a plus 5 in the back. Ooh, that's not a 5. 5. Okay, a plus 5 in the back. And then I go left and right. So it looks like I went to the left 3. I'm looking at the vertex. My vertex went left 3. But remember, it's not a negative 3 that you put in there. It's technically going to be opposite. So it should be a plus 3. Okay.